A few months ago, I read a very interesting article about IIT, written by an IIT IIM alumnus, Aradhya Banerjee, who is also the founder of Level Field School. He was one of the brightest students of IIT. In today's video, I am going to represent everything that was written in that article so that this message can reach more people. So everything I will be sharing today is originally Arghya's thoughts, and I am just bringing it to you through some editing and voiceover. I have just one request. After watching this video, please share your thoughts in the comment section. Your one comment might change someone's life. Thank you, and let's start this video. IIT, the dream of millions, the pride of India. Every year, lakhs of students battle through one of the toughest entrance exams in the world for a chance to get in. But here is a question. Are IITs really as great as they seem? Despite selecting the top 1% of the students, IITs still struggle to rank among the top universities globally. In the latest QS World Ranking, IITs are not even in the top 100. If IITs are India's best, why don't they rank higher internationally? Let's find out. First, the innovation gap. Compared to leading global universities, IITs have not produced a single groundbreaking innovation in the last 60 years. There is no revolutionary product, no global patent, no research that has changed the world. While institutes like MIT, Stanford, and Harvard have shaped industries, IITs are still struggling to make their mark in global innovation. Many argue that IITs have produced successful CEOs, politicians, and businessmen. But does that prove that IIT education system is excellent? Or does it simply mean that when you select the top 1% of the students, they will succeed anyway, regardless of how good or bad the system is? Most students in IITs are not really interested in what they study. Most of them never actually wanted to become engineers. They joined because of society's obsession with IITs, because their parents told them it was the only way to have a successful career. As a result, they spent 4 years in an institution without any real passion for their field. The curriculum is overloaded with theory, leaving little room for practical learning. Too many subjects are crammed into a semester, with hardly any flexibility to choose what they really want to study. Soft skills like communication, leadership, and critical thinking, essential for real-world success, are barely given any attention. IITs are supposed to prepare students for professional careers, yet the education system remains outdated and rigid. Now, let's talk about life after IIT. When an IITian graduates, they usually take one of the three paths. Some go abroad for an MS, hoping for better opportunities. Others join software companies, even if their degree had nothing to do with coding. The rest pursue an MBA, leaving their engineering background behind. But the question remains, why do so many IITians move away from their core subjects? If IITs are supposed to produce top engineers, why don't most graduates actually work as engineers? The truth is, the real skills needed for success, like problem solving, communication, negotiation, and networking, are often learned outside the classroom. The IITs themselves can claim the little credit for it. The system may provide a degree, but it doesn't necessarily provide the education that the modern world demands. Now, the question is, why are IITs still so popular? If IITs have so many flaws, why is there still a craze for them? The answer is simple, because the alternatives are worse. Universities like Calcutta University, Mumbai University rank below 750 in global rankings. Compared to them, IIT seem like the best option India has to offer. Another reason is outdated thinking. Decades ago, engineering was the safest path to financial security. In the 1970s and 80s, a degree in engineering or medicine was the only way to guarantee a stable job. But times have changed. Today, countless career options exist beyond these fields. Yet many parents still believe that IIT is the only way to succeed, forcing their children into an outdated dream. Now, what's the solution? It's time to rethink our obsession with IITs. Students should be encouraged to explore careers beyond engineering. Instead of blindly preparing for entrance exams, they should be guided towards fields they are truly passionate about. Education should focus on creativity, problem solving, and innovation rather than rote memorization and outdated theories. But most importantly, India needs to build world-class universities that go beyond just IITs. Until that happens, the myth of IIT being the ultimate goal will continue. It's time to move forward. It's time to open our mind to new possibilities. What do you think? Are IITs really overrated? Please, please, please let me know in the comment section. I am waiting for your comments. And if you found this video interesting, don't forget to like, share and subscribe for more eye-opening content. And if you want to personally talk to me, you can check the description box. I have given the link of my Telegram and Instagram. Thank you for watching.